Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Cryptopay application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, click on the cards button down below, which is in the left side corner of the screen. Tap on this profile icon in the upper left corner, scroll down until you find the security settings section, and here you should tap on the Touch ID button, thereby enabling Touch ID. So whenever you open the application you will be required to use your fingerprint for authentication. So that's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.